The luxury homes in Miami Beach are considered to be the most beautiful in the world. The city is among the most luxurious and desired places, and is it easy to see why it's like that? Miami Beach luxury homes contain a lot of history known as a cultural and entertainment capital. Miami Beach is also home to fabulous estates and exclusive neighborhoods that allow residents to take advantage of all that South Florida has to offer. In case you don't know, the luxury homes in Miami Beach have 20,000 square feet, more than 40 bedrooms, ballrooms, offices, staff quarters, and much more. So here, we're going to show you the best luxury mansions in Miami Beach, like magnificent mansions and the elegant Bayfront estates. Hello everyone and welcome to Smooth Lux. If you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more videos like this. 130 Palm Avenue, Miami Beach, FL 33139. This single-family home is the most expensive and one of the finest custom-built homes on its way to completion, with a worth of $49.5 million constructed in 2021. The home is adorned with an intricate design in marble, wood, and brass works. Kobe Carp Architecture in collaboration with Argent Design worked together to create this innovation. It is a visually stunning estate with finishes and details of the highest quality. The home has a unique large open club room with a private rooftop pool and a detached guest house with a gym and therapy room. Wow, it also has 9 bedrooms, 4-car garage with lifts, theater, office, butler's kitchen, and laundry. We say it's a fully automated smart home because it has Creston touchscreens and Lutron keypads. Looking at it, it has Italian doors and millwork, custom lighting, a marble display, and a rooftop terrace with breathtaking panoramic views of downtown and South Beach. The annual tax for this home is $135,972. If you want to know where this magnificent home is, it's located on prestigious gated and police-guarded Palm Island. 30 Palm Avenue, Miami Beach, FL 33139. Another home located on Palm Island is a single-family home of $43 million worth, built in 2013. This modern 2-story estate on guard-gated Palm Island was magnificently redesigned and set on a manicured 32,000 SF lot with 100 waterfronts and 13,144 total SF. The home features 9 bedroom, 8+1 bathrooms with soaring ceilings, rich hardwood floors, and an expansive living room and dining room, all with stunning water and city views. The home has a gourmet kitchen, sports top-of-the-line appliances, a family room, a movie theater, an elevator, a pet room, a 4-car garage, staff rooms, also a recreation room, and a full gym. The second-floor principal suite is spacious with views of the pool. It also has dual walk-in closets and a beautiful Carrara marble bathroom. And the outdoor features include a large pool with jacuzzi, covered seating area with a summer kitchen, and an IPV wood dock which helps you have direct access to Biscayne Bay in the ocean. The annual tax for the home is $219,384. 4766 North Bay Road, Miami Beach, FL 33140. We've added another single-family home of $36 million worth, with an annual tax payment of $123,560. This time around, the home is yet to be completed, but it will be completed by 2023. This impressive ready-to-build home, with plans by Kobe Carp on illustrious North Bay Road, offers 100 feet of direct Biscayne Bay frontage and sweeping sunset views. The 7-bedroom, 6 full bath, and 3 half-bath residences are designed to be transparent from the motor court to the edge of the water, with the bay always in sight. What a nice view to behold. Expansive living areas include the towering great room, formal entertaining spaces, a pair of sprawling waterfront lounges. It also has a display kitchen, a chef's kitchen, and an elevator. There you can find a maid's room and an office with its entrance, which are included for convenience. The home has master and junior master suites, and both have bayfront balconies. There are copious areas for outdoor living, which include a 50-foot-long pool, an indoor and outdoor gym, and a full-size rooftop putting green with a star-lit lounge area. You can start preparing to witness its completion next year. 68 Fisher Island Drive, Fisher Island, FL 33109. Here is a home of $36 million worth, $528,000 annual tax payment, and $23,007 for quarterly maintenance. You always find this home in the Links Estates. The amazing part about this home is its unrivaled warmth and grandeur, and it's at Fisher Island. It is the first turnkey single-family home estate. This 7 bedrooms and 8.5 bathrooms modern Tuscan estate with a private infinity pool, rooftop terrace, and a parking for up to 9 cars are the first standalone mansion in the Links Estates. and Fisher Island's new collection of 12 bespoke square feet homes, you will enjoy 10,867 interior square feet and nearly 4,000 square feet of terraces and balconies, which are located on a large 18,700 square feet lot set upon the PB Dye Championship golf courses, the most picturesque lake hole. This custom-built estate features 2 levels and a 5-car garage with an extensive 3rd-level rooftop with a spa and an outdoor kitchen along the dining. This home was designed by Portuondo Perotti architects with European interiors and furnishings by Indelix. The outdoor spaces were designed by Enzo Enia. All these joined together to make the home the finest and most private luxury residence on all of Fisher Island delivers. 825E Delito, Dr. Miami Beach, FL33139. Here's another fancy home you can find in Miami Beach. The E Delito Doctor was constructed in 2018 with $35.9 million of worth and an annual tax payment of $256,401. The home is a sophisticated tropical waterfront villa and covered Venetian islands. It's fully furnished with 7 beds, 7.5 baths, architectural masterpiece with stunning floor-to-ceiling panoramic bay views. Here you'll find 100 feet of water frontage, a serene double-sided infinity pool, and an integrated spa with IPE wood dock. The interior boasts sleek Brazilian Kumaru wood finishes and European white oak floors throughout, and a Lutron automation system. It also has 2 guest suites with waterfront views plus maids' quarters. This home was designed by Geoff Levy Fishman Architecture, just minutes away from Lincoln Road and South Beach's finest dining and entertainment. 70 Palm Avenue, Miami Beach, FL33139. This single-family home of $35 million worth was constructed in 2004 and tagged with an annual tax payment of $273,297. The home is located in the prestigious and gated Palm Island. This grand residence is a rare opportunity. We welcome you into the great room with direct water views. It sits on a 30,000 square feet lot. This magnificent residence boasts 7 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, and 4 half bathrooms perfectly spread across 20,000 square feet of living area. The sprawling master suite includes his and her bathrooms, a sitting area, a private balcony, and water views. It also has a movie theater, chef's kitchen, 2 pools, 2 detached guest houses, a gym, 4-car garages, and private 100 docks, which are just some of the reasons you'll never want to leave the home. Updates this year include new wood floors throughout, impact windows, updated bathrooms, turf throughout the entire backyard, and a new pool. So, enjoy the Palm Island's amenities, which include the tennis and basketball courts, playground, and 24-hour police security. 1061 and Venetian Doctor Miami FL33139. In Miami Beach, here is the Venetian Doctor single-family home built in 2022 with a $35 million net worth and $86,608 annual tax payment. The stunning new construction modern waterfront home is situated on an oversized 15,000 square feet with over 100 feet of waterfront. It will allow you to enjoy wide bays of views of mesmerizing sunsets, sea breezes, and the beautiful Miami Edgewater skyline. The home is located on the coveted Venetian Islands with stunning 7 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms. The home was designed by Max Strang, and the home amenities include a theater, den, spacious outdoor living space with a covered cabana, and a large roof terrace with 360-degree views of Miami and more. The everlasting home is perfectly situated between downtown Miami and Miami Beach with high-end restaurants and shopping. 815A Delito Dr. Miami Beach, FL33139. This home was one of the most expensive homes situated in Miami Beach in 2006. The home's worth is $33 million and the annual tax payment is $154,031. Are you ready to pack in? We can accommodate fast closings at the prime location, Venetian Islands in Miami Beach. This modern waterfront Mediterranean mansion sits in a prime location on the northeastern edge of Delito Island and was fully renovated in 2019 to the highest standard. The home is a complete work of art with its architecture by Raman Echiko, high attention to detail, charm, and luxury finishes. The property features 9,787 square feet total, 13,408 square feet waterfront lot, 6 bedrooms, 6.5 bathrooms, 2-car garage with 2 lifts. It also has 107 feet of water frontage, ocean access with a resort-style pool, summer kitchen, beach area, privacy gates, fireplace, great room with volume ceilings, chef-inspired kitchen, white plank wood floors, elevator, grand cellar, and impact windows. It is a high-tech home. 105 East Revo Alto Doctor, Miami Beach FL33139. The last mention we have for you is the Revo Alt DR, which was constructed in 2011 with $33 million worth and $80,686 annual tax payment. This largest tropical modern home on the largest wide bay double lot available on the Venetian island offers movie set glamour on a half-acre waterfront stage. The Ralph Schaff designed resort-style residence commands dramatic South Beach vistas along 120 waterfront feet. The home featured in Florida Design Magazine. The stunning 9,000 square feet house on a 21,000 square feet lot boasts pure concrete construction, impact glass doors, walls, limestone floors, balconies, and terraces. It has a gourmet kitchen upstairs. It has an home office. The southeast breezes can help make for idyllic indoor and outdoor living. The outdoor includes a pool, spa, cabana, and guest house, summer kitchen, and lounge. In this home, you'll always find a generator, dockage for 3 boats, and 2 lifts. There are no bridges to the bay, so you can always walk to Sunset Harbor and Lincoln Road, or take a bike to Ocean Drive and take 10 minutes drive to downtown and Brickell. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell to watch more videos like this. While you're here, click on one of the 2 other videos on your screen. See you there.